Hey friends, today we will learn about the Triple Puzzle game in addition to the Smart Pen, the Virtual Mouse, and a lot of special products. Product link in the description box because I hope for a lot of fun watching. Are you looking to explore nature of the world by just seeing at a smaller distance? If yes, this binocular will be the right companion. It's ideal for hunting, driving, sports events, and bird watching. The best part about it is aspherical lenses and multi-layer coating guarantee that improves image brightness and quality, making it suitable for astronomical viewing, opera, and concerts. Number 2. There's no shortage of outdoor cameras at all, but if you want something perfect for your home and wallet, Wisecam V3 is the right choice for you. It is a wired, water-resistant video camera that you can install outside in the rain or in the kid's bedroom without any trouble. It records video when sound and motion are detected and sends an instant alert to your phone. Wisecam V3 also takes major advantage of an all-new and latest Starlight sensor, which allows for extreme low-light performance and shows excellent detail in the dark. Its 24/7 continuous recording comes with free 14-day cloud storage for 12-second video clips, which can be seen for up to 14 days after recording. Number 3. Although it seems to be pricier than any of the other products on this list, the C Pen Reader is known for its pronunciation, accessibility, and high level of accuracy. This scanning pen makes it easier for all beginners. All you need to do is slide over the row of text you need to read, and it will speak it out clearly in a natural-sounding speech. The device has a precise and modest screen that displays all the scanned words. It comes with 2 choices for playback, the earphone port and built-in speaker. Both ways work best, but if you are in an office setting, the earphone choice is the best option. Number 4. The Odin Virtual Laser Holographic Mouse is an innovative product that challenges people's perceptions and opens the gate for a whole new world of possibilities. Believe me, this mouse will redefine and recreate your daily user habits for gaming on your computer, designing, and controlling. It comes with a unique and responsive design and low CPU load that delivers smooth web surfing and gaming experiences. Due to its small size and weighing only 40 grams, this mouse will fit easily into your bag or pocket without consuming much energy. Number 5. GoCube is the perfect childhood toy in several ways. It's a 3D puzzle that teaches problem-solving, logic, and persistence. This cube is so advanced that your kids can turn it into a competitive sport, showing their reflexes and hand coordination. The GoCube is an advanced electronic Rubik's Cube that lets you connect your phone via Bluetooth, and that simply means that this cube has all sorts of capabilities that your childhood Rubik's Cube fails to stand in front of this cube. It can easily teach your kid how to solve various puzzles, for example, breaking the process down into easy-to-follow mini-steps. The app knows the cube state and even how you're holding it, so it's difficult to get lost in the instructions. Number 6. When it comes to outdoor kitchen cooking, this ultra-fast and accurate thermometer instantly reads your temperature within 3 to 4 seconds. It is built to function even underwater and never corrodes or rusts, especially when exposed to liquids. This thermometer features a backlit LCD screen that allows you to read temperatures even in the dark, making it perfect for cooking or grilling in the dark or under dim light. It has a battery installed and also has an extra battery, which simply means that you can enjoy your food, and also includes a power save function that automatically offs after 10 minutes of inactivity. So order this product and I am sure it will live up to your expectations. Number 7. Whether you want to create a romantic atmosphere or just want to listen to your favorite music with your loved one, don't forget to have a look at the Deco LED Flame Table Lamp. It has several LEDs that flicker yellow lights, forming a beautiful and natural dancing flame that combines with audio function and creates a romantic atmosphere for you. Apart from being just a lamp, it has a portable wireless speaker connected wirelessly to any mobile device via Bluetooth. To be honest, this Bluetooth is so powerful that even when you're standing 33 feet away, you'll hear the musical sound of your music without any trouble. Number 8. Lenwu touchscreen Bluetooth wireless speaker has everything and more than just a regular Bluetooth speaker. Built-in 1200 mAh high-performance lithium battery, which means you can enjoy your favorite music for a week, and whenever a call comes in, all you have to do is answer the phone just by clicking the central button. The best part is equipped with a subwoofer resonator, a 3D digital audio processor that displays good sound. Its lightweight body makes an attractive choice for speaker enthusiasts. Number 9. Runmus specializes in developing gaming products including gaming mouses and gaming headsets and gaming keyboards. Runmus's gaming headset features a 50mm driver and provides 7.1 surround sound. This allows you to hear all the footsteps of your enemies even before seeing them and offers an immersive gaming experience.